Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Rue here today. I really hope you're doing well because today I'm going to be showing you how to do a super simple half braided hairstyle. What's going to happen is I'm going to do a braid that's going to be right here, starting from here. So this is really easy. So if you want to do it on your little kid or if you're just starting to do hairstyles, this is seriously the best hairstyle to start with. And don't mind the reflection of my ring light. This is so funny. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair from up here, and don't mind me, don't mind my extension tracks, you know. Just gonna cover those up. Okay. Got a good chunk of hair right here. Okay. Gonna put this bad boy out like that. Whew, it's like, good thing it's warm down here in Florida because I might definitely need this hair to keep me warm when it gets cold or if I go up north. I'm brushing this section of hair so that it's nice and smooth, and I'm starting off with a French braid. Take some hair from that same side over the middle. Over the middle. And as you can see, I'm not being super tight with this braid. I'm gonna kind of loosen it up, and when you kind of see it loosening up in the braids, you know that you're kind of doing a good job. So just keep at it. Left section over the middle, grab hair from the opposite side over the middle. Okay, and I am done with my French braid. Just gonna braid this all the way through so it doesn't unravel. Okay. And then I'm just gonna roll it around till I got myself a little rosette thing going on. And pin that in place. Okay. And like I said, I was going to cover up my extensions, and I don't think you can tell that I have extensions on, can you? Yeah, so it's like a really cool half ponytail, but it has a little rosette thing here. Let me just show you. But this is just perfect. Like, I'm just gonna go out right now. I hope you enjoyed this super quick tutorial. As you can see, I think I look pretty put together right now, don't you think? Don't you think? I don't know. But this is great, and I hope you learned something. I really look forward to seeing you again in my next video. I hope you subscribe and like this video. I will see you soon. Bye bye.